bank account.
That's good, but be careful. There are hackers that are trying to steal our personal data.
Yeah, I know that. That's why I use a strong password and also use VPN on public Wi-Fi.
There's a lot more than that you can do. Firstly, you can watch for the URL which has a green padlock sign to protect you from hackers and while entering personal data.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
You can also use a VPN whenever you are on public Wi-Fi and while entering any financial details on applications.
Yeah, sure. I'll follow your advice. Thank you. From this skill, we can know that data has to be protected by everyone. It should not be shared on something suspicious. Thank you.